Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is just going to be a short little video to show you guys some of the fabric that I have purchased recently. Some of it will become bags, some of it will become masks. I'm honestly not sure which is going to be what at this point, but I have purchases from 4 different Etsy sellers and I just wanted to show you what I got since I haven't done a video in a while. And aside from making a zero levy for an order, I haven't really gotten to touch yarn in the last almost month plus. So yeah, actually the first 3 packages I'm going to show you, I've already used at least one type of fabric from them to make masks, and I'll like pop up a picture of them so you can see what they look like. So this first one is an order from the shop So Tangle. Apparently the lady who runs it, her name is Marion. She includes samples of a few other different kinds of fabric, which is kind of cool, and gives you an invoice so you know what all your stuff is. I'm not going to bother going through the names of the types of the fabric because honestly, it's whatever. But I will say, after going to Joann Fabrics the other day, if you're hoping to purchase fabric in person, good luck, because almost their entire cotton wall was completely bare. Couldn't believe it. So in this package, there were 6 fat quarters in a bundle, and I can get 2 adult-sized masks from a single fat quarter. And I used 3 of the types that were in it, but this is one of them. It's got some feathers, and it's not actually iridescent like I assumed it would be, but it's pretty cool. Feathers on a powder blue background. This one is some butterflies and flowers on white. And this is another one with the feathers, but it's on a beige background, so it's a little bit more masculine, a little bit less feminine. I also got this, which is very pretty. I got this in the 108-inch wide fabric, but I think I only ended up getting half a yard of it, which is still a lot. Actually, let me double check. Yeah, half a yard, but you know, 108 inches wide by 18 inches is still quite a fair bit of fabric. Turn it around so you can see. It's got leaves and some bubbles. It's pretty cool. I like it. And I'm recording this on my laptop outside, so if there's weird noises and things look horrible, I guess I'll fix what I can in editing and go from there. And this last one I got is kind of a mandala design, and it's floral-ish, lots of blues and greens. Pretty cool. So that is all the order from So Tangle, and I'll pop up the names and leave links to their shops and everything down in the description box. So if you want to shop from them, you can. And her shipping was actually really quick. I want to say the day after I ordered it went in the mail, and it was here within less than a week. So that was pretty good. And everything came in a bag. Second one, this is Modern Quilter is the name of the shop. Cover up if you can see that, because everything looks backwards to me on the screen, so hopefully you can see that okay. So this, I bought a bunch of half yards, and I've already used up the charcoal one, so I'll pop up a picture of the mask from that. It was more of a linen fabric, which was kind of cool. It was perfect for making masks because it's so lightweight and it's masculine and very neutral in a good way. So this one I really, really liked. This is a very pretty, swirly, water-looking fabric. It's really awesome. Lots of blues and greens. Kind of gender neutral, which is mostly what I'm going for, because I'm also making things from stash, but I have a lot of very holiday specific fabric and just weird kitschy fabric specific, which makes for really good bags, but when you've got something that has a big print and you've only got a teeny tiny little space, you want something with a smaller print or something that's varied so every mask looks different. This one is a splattered multicolor, like the whole thing is completely different. It almost looks tie-dyed. I love it. So every single mask you make out of this is going to look different with lots of different varying colors. And that's another 108-inch wide one that I got a half yard of. So 108 by 18. And I think I got 9 adult-size masks, 2 kid-size masks out of the one other fabric type like that I cut up already. There's this one, which is just a half yard. A lot of these I went through and just got small quantities because they were on sale. But this is kind of a grunge textured looking one that's in blue and indigo and turquoise. And this is a half yard. And the other one that I got looks like date stamps that you'd find in old library books, which I really, really liked, and I thought that was cute. All different dates. Just a nostalgia thing for me from going to the library and enjoying it. But again, that shop was Modern Quilter. And like I said, I'll pop that up and leave a link down in the description box for anybody who wants to check out their stuff. And their shipping was also pretty good. Their shipping was not as quick. It took them longer to actually get the package out. But once it was out, it was here in like 2 days and it wasn't priority. So it still came pretty quick once it actually got sent. And being an Etsy seller myself, I know that sometimes people wait until they get a certain number of orders to go to the post office, so they only have to do it once a week, so I get it. I wasn't going to leave a crappy review. It was still here well before the delivery date, so it was fine. This last one, well, not last, but the last of the initial 3, because the last one I'm going to show you I just got today. This is from Rockin Bobbins Quilting and Quilt Shop, and they are based in Michigan. There's actually a code on here that if you order from the shop, you can get a discount if you buy fabric directly on their website instead of through Etsy, but I don't know if I can share that or not, so just to be safe, I won't. But yeah. So this, I already used up it was like a swirl, it was dots and kind of a mosaic swirl title pattern, and it was brown, white, black, and gray, so it was very gender neutral, which is good, that's what I was going for. But that was a 108-inch wide half yard chunk of fabric. This is another one. It's all paint splatters on a black background. If it comes up as black, I don't know, my color looks kind of weird right now because I'm under an umbrella, so it looks like it's about to RAIN too, which honestly we need here badly. And this other one I've got is a green with paisley on it, which is really cool. Kind of a spring green with a turquoise paisley on it. Kitty cat, quit that. Cat sharpening his claws on the side of the house. No. So here is the last one that I have right now. I do have one more that's coming that should be here anytime now. What? What? I'm recording. What? What do you need? Talk. What? No clue, buddy. Which one? Cool. Do you have to?
Yeah. Made a boat.
Cool, buddy.
And there was like
So the primary reason I went back to get another order of fabric is I was looking for something for Hunter. Shh, please. I was looking for something for Hunter because he has to wear masks whenever he's at daycare, and whenever he's at my ex-husband's house, he's in daycare Monday through Friday. Isn't that marvelous? So I couldn't find a Minecraft fabric that didn't cost an arm and a leg. So instead, I found this stuff, which I thought was pretty cool. It's got the green pixelated pattern in the back, and it's got hearts and bombs and coins and stars and pizza, and it kind of looks like a sword with a lightning bolt, something like that. But I got this to make masks for Hunter and people who like video games. Killian's young enough he doesn't have to wear one. Thank God, because the idea of kids running around outside and playing in 80-degree weather wearing a mask seems pretty dangerous to me. There's that. And I got this, which was just a little chunk. It's a purple honeycomb pattern, if you can see that. And the last chunk of fabric that I have is sugar skull cats. You'll probably remember that I got some sugar skull dogs, and I was looking for these, and I got an entire yard of this. So I'll probably make a bag and make some masks too. And that shop is called Cuddle Roo, and they are based in Georgia. Cuddle Roo, and for some reason, the shop name for the address also says Super Stitching. And it says that she actually gave me... Oh, you gonna go? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'll be back inside in just a minute, bub. But the game fabric, apparently it was right at the end of the bolt, so she gave me whatever the extra is. I haven't measured it yet, but yeah, it was pretty cool. So that's really all I've got for right now. Things are still insane. My online classes that we've been doing, we're going to be done in mid-August. I don't know what the hell's going on after that. I feel like everything in life right now is a big game of hurry up and wait, and maybe eventually somebody will tell you what's happening. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you're all feeling well. I hope you're all staying safe, but still enjoying the company of your families if you're able, and friends. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.